Hey, what's up everyone, my name is Maximus Arana and welcome back to my YouTube channel. The straight, beautiful, swept hairstyle you're seeing at the moment, surprisingly, it's done without blow drying, without applying any pre-styler, and yes, without applying anything on my hair except oil. And you must be wondering, what did I do in the blow drying process? I didn't do any blow drying process. I just let it air dry, combed it, that's it. Here you see, nice hair. A good side swept hairstyle, a classic side swept hairstyle. You can even get voluminous hairstyles with this, like you can get your hair up here and do things with it. I don't know, my hair must be looking pretty bad at the moment. Let me just fix that. Pretty good. Yeah. So this is one magical hairstyle, or whatever you want to say, a hair hack or hair trick I'm going to show you today. So if that sounds interesting, let's hop right into it. Starting off, after you come out of the shower with wet hair, dampen your hair by towel drying it and then apply 2 generous pumps of oil and then put it throughout your hair length, apply it, massage it nicely into your scalp, and you're good to go. Then with the brush, comb it and keep it tight in place, and yeah, tighten your hairstyle, comb it straight and let it air dry. You can read a book, you can play video games, you can do whatever you want. And while your hair is drying, air drying, what you can do is follow my Instagram. It's at Maximus_Arana. I have a pretty cool feed and you will love it. So as you can see now, my hair has air dried and it's looking pretty neat, and you can manipulate the hairstyle. Your hair will listen to you. You can achieve any hairstyle because your hair is straight, smooth and silky. According to me, today's video is the most exciting and yet a very helpful one, because this will help you achieve any hairstyle. If you enjoyed today's video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you found this technique helpful, and send me your pictures on Instagram. Like if you tried out this hairstyle only using oil, I would love to see your results. And follow me on Instagram. I said that. Anyway, if you haven't followed me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. We're growing pretty slow and just speed it up a bit, okay? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.